We are on the line of control, and this is the border fence that has been erected to check the cross-border infiltration. We are in the Rajputana regiment, the same regiment where Lieutenant Umar Fayaz was deployed.
I still remember the first day he came to my unit. He was a little shy officer, but as and when I interviewed him time and again, he started opening up, and then I came to know that he is a bundle of energy, and he wanted to do something for the nation, for the people of Kashmir.
Soon after being commissioned into the Indian Army, Lieutenant Fayaz, who hailed from South Kashmir, was posted at this place. For 2.5 months, he was posted at a forward location. Though he served for 4 months in this unit,
he was inspired by the many facts of the army, which army has was employed in Kashmir, say the rescue operations during floods and the uh, earthquake which came in 2006.
this is the very same place where Lieutenant Umar Fayaz, he interacted with these army jawans. He had his colleagues, his officers, his friends, his buddies. They all are stationed here.
1 महीने की जो ट्रेनिंग होती थी, हाँ, उसमें सबसे पहले साहब का मैंने जज्बा और हौसला देखा तो बहुत खुशी हुई कि साहब इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में और इतना अच्छा जज्बा है। उनका एक सबसे अच्छा ये था कि उनका बोलने का तरीका और उनका व्यवहार जो है वो कभी भी एक ऑफिसर का नहीं था। वो एक जवानों के साथ मिल के चलना, जवानों का जितना भी बड़ा ट्रूप्स था उस ट्रूप्स को हेल्प करना, कोई पीछे ना रह जाए, कोई कुछ ऐसे नहीं कि कोई सीख ना पाए। तो साहब का एक इतना अच्छा रवैया था कि फायरिंग में, दौड़ने में और भी जितने भी जो भी होता था वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगा। साहब से हमारे को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला।
I remember him as the baby of the battalion, as the one of the most energetic officer I had in my unit.
During all the tests, I found Umar Fayaz was one of the fittest officer, and he was very good in all the events, all the physicals. I remember one of the endurance runs, which was taken part by almost 350 people. He came first in that. That was the level of his physicals.
Actually, a role model for the other officers of the unit also, and I'm sure he is a role model for the other youths of the country and especially the people of Kashmir.
They say that he was kidnapped from a marriage in South Kashmir, and later his bullet-ridden body was found from a roadside in South Kashmir.
ये किडनैप हत्या ये देखो जो कि होता है ये अच्छा नहीं हुआ। अब जो हुआ उसके लिए बस ये है कि हम साहब के लिए दुख बहुत होता है। जब भी कोई घर से परिवार से कोई भी एक यदि किसी पेड़ का एक पत्ता भी टूटता है तो उसका भी बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है। आज हमारे देश में एक लेफ्टिनेंट उमर फयाज को साहब को खोया है, हमें बहुत दुख है। हमारी यूनिट के एक बहादुर अफसर को खोया है और एक सेना के एक बहादुर अफसर और उसकी पूर्ति सेना और इसे देश से बहुत मुश्किल है।
Officer has motivated the youth of the entire country.